Okay, ladies and gents, we're back. Nata sa Canada Drive. And now I am turning off traction control. There we go, rider mode. TCH off. Okay, Cebu Adventure Team. And we're off na daw. Sige, let's go. There's a bit of rain, bit of fog. Pero KTRC off gyapon ta, ladies and gents. Isog dapat, isog. Fortune favors the bold. And indot mag-practice og kan, you know, using your wrist, your throttle input to control your traction. Sige. Let's wait for Sir Leo, because mag-video si Sir Leo. You know, he's gonna capture all our moments. And then hopefully mag-reverse mi niya. Ako na po i-capture sa iyong moments para, you know, we can produce good quality content. Muna among goal as content creators, diba? We want to produce good and high quality content. Okay, so let's take it slow down a bit. We need to gauge the we need to wait for Sir Leo so that they can capture our video. So fun, man. Okay, and we have caught up with our colleagues. Say colleagues ba? Club members from Cebu Adventure Team. So, little beep beep for overtake. Yikes, nabasa ang dalan. Sus. Okay, wala na may lingaw. Basa na ang dalan. Ah, man, this sucks, man. This sucks big time. Basa ang dalan. Sige lang, we'll see. We'll see what the limit of our traction is on what roads. Foggy pa jud, my god, what a good combination. Sir Leo still at my back. Ako na like ako, I'll take it easy. And take it easy. You have zero visibility, roads are wet and damp. Muna akong problema. Nag-fog na ako lens. Man, this is so hard. Okay, it looks like it's beginning to clear. Di kita kabangki kusog dira. It's raining, people. Or rather, the road is really wet. Ah, man. Kaway lingaw eh. Kapati ba ay? Woo. And then nakakabata. KTRC off pag ita. Grabe ang ano no, guardian angel. But still, you know, riding in the wet is inevitable as a rider. So you can't avoid riding in the wet. But the only thing you can do is grow accustomed to it, so that you can be as safe as possible riding in the wet. Like we are right now, ni Sir Leo. See, he's close behind. And we can't go any faster than this because basa kayo ang dalan. Damn, my visor's all foggy na. Can't see shit. So in these kinds of situations, you really have to trust your tires and really modulate your throttle input. And of course, avoid any abrupt actions, like abrupt braking, abrupt accelerating, abrupt changing of direction. You really have to be gentle, slow and deliberate for what roads. Otherwise you're gonna get into an accident. At least maka-practice po mo kuan, ano, you know, riding in the wet. Which I'm pretty sure Sir Leo is so anad na because of his repertoire, or rather his years and years of experience riding endurance races. Katiyo, delikado kayo ni. If you mess up your acceleration, you're gonna suffer. I can feel my rear tire slipping in and out of traction gani. I'm just modulating it because of you know, I don't want to crash. Plus traction control's turned off, so you really have to be at the top of your game. That was so fun. Riding in the wet, so I'll be back later. Okay, so ladies and gents, we're back. And as you can see, it is a rainy day here in Balamban. Ay, nako, roads are wet. So what can we do about the cornering situation? There's only one thing you can do, and that is to slow the heck down. Okay, still in attendance is our beloved Cebu Adventure Team. Huy, huy, huy. Oh my god, oh my god. I was not worried na overshoot siya. I was just worried that the edge of the road, you know, where he was heading to, is slippery. You know, there was a lot of you know, moss and all that. So had he landed there, there's a chance na muslip siya or muskid. So that's why I was a bit concerned. Okay, but not too much, you know. We're traveling slow, light pace, because it's raining again. So I'm not sure if you guys can see the fog situation here, but I can tell you now, visibility is so limited. Well, I might just end up following the convoy. Okay, so in attendance, a convoy up ahead is Sir Sherwin. Okay, Sir Sherwin, top 8 sa Adventure Rally V4 Cebu on his Duke 200. Okay, not the best attire, I agree. T-shirts, pants, and all, but you know, if you're just traveling a slow pace like this, then I guess okay, lah. But still, guys, best attire to wear during rides would be, the very least, long sleeve and pants. Okay, I myself am wearing riding jeans from Comine. Okay, it's Kevlar lined now, so should provide some form of skid protection. I'm also wearing some Oggy riding or casual riding boots. It's high cut, so it covers my ankles. Comine mesh jacket with level 2 CE protection, long gloves with, you know, wrist protection, so then totally protected. Okay, so we're riding in wet roads and drizzling. It's quite funny actually, because on one of my videos someone recently commented na they wanted to see riding in the rain or track. So yeah, be careful what you wish for, because you're gonna get it. So now we have no choice but to go on a slow and chill pace, which is still okay, you know. It matches the weather. The weather is so chill. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shut my mouth so that you can enjoy the view and the sound of the inline 4 engine humming along as we go downhill. Later, guys. So destination reached. Palmas kananan. Spark. Let's enjoy. Bye.